Are you ready to take your English communication skills to the next level? In this video, we've got you covered with 50 essential everyday English phrases that will help you navigate through various situations with ease. Let's get started.
Number 1. Greeting someone. Hello, how are you? Number 2. Ordering food at a restaurant. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Number 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? Number 4. Making a phone call. Hi, is Sarah available? Number 5. Apologizing. I'm sorry for the mistake I made. Number 6. Expressing gratitude. Thank you so much for your help. Number 7. Introducing yourself. Hi, my name is John. Nice to meet you. Number 8. Asking for assistance. Can you please help me carry these bags? Number 9. Making a request. Could you please pass me the salt? Number 10. Saying goodbye. Goodbye, have a great day. Number 11. Giving directions. Take a left at the next intersection. Number 12. Ordering a drink at a cafe. I'll have a cappuccino, please. Number 13. Asking for the time. Excuse me, do you have the time? Number 14. Complimenting someone. You look great in that outfit. Number 15. Making a suggestion. Why don't we go see a movie tonight? Number 16. Expressing concern. Are you feeling okay? You look a bit tired. Number 17. Offering assistance. Can I help you with anything? Number 18. Accepting an invitation. Sure, I'd love to join you for dinner. Number 19. Declining an invitation. Thank you for inviting me, but I can't make it. Number 20. Asking for permission. May I use your restroom, please? Number 21. Congratulating someone. Congratulations on your promotion. Number 22. Making a complaint. I'm sorry, but my food is cold. Number 23. Expressing excitement. I can't wait to go on vacation. Number 24. Asking for recommendations. Do you have any book recommendations? Number 25. Discussing the weather. It's really hot today, isn't it? Number 26. Offering congratulations. Well done on your achievements. Number 27. Making small talk. How was your weekend? Number 28. Expressing surprise. Wow, that's amazing. Number 29. Seeking clarification. Could you please explain that again? Number 30. Expressing disappointment. I'm sorry, but I won't be able to make it to the party. Number 31. Making a reservation. I'd like to book a table for 2, please. Number 32. Asking for the bill. Could we get the check, please? Number 33. Giving advice. You should try taking up yoga for stress relief. Number 34. Expressing sympathy. I'm so sorry for your loss. Number 35. Making plans. Let's meet at the park tomorrow afternoon. Number 36. Confirming information. Just to clarify, the meeting is at 2 p.m., right? Number 37. Asking about someone's well-being. How have you been feeling lately? Number 38. Expressing relief. I'm glad to hear that everything is okay. Number 39. Offering congratulations on a special occasion. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Number 40. Expressing agreement. I completely agree with you. Number 41. Expressing frustration. I can't believe I lost my keys again. Number 42. Asking for clarification. Could you please clarify what you meant? Number 43. Discussing future plans. What are your plans for the weekend? Number 44. Offering assistance in a formal setting. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. Number 45. Expressing admiration. You did an amazing job on that project. Number 46. Asking for feedback. What do you think of this new design? Number 47. Requesting information. Could you provide me with more details about the event? Number 48. Expressing curiosity. I wonder how they managed to solve that problem. Number 49. Making a promise. I promise I won't be late next time. Number 50. Expressing gratitude for a favor. Thank you so much for lending me your car. Thank you for watching our video on 50 essential everyday English phrases. Remember to practice using them regularly to improve your fluency and confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful language tips and resources. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.